everyone. This is Johnson from Femtech. Today we are going to be looking at how to add rows and columns to Microsoft Excel, to a spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Now, to add rows and columns in Excel, in Microsoft Excel, is actually very easy. What you need to do now, I've already opened my Microsoft Excel and I have numbers. I've already populated with figures, so we can hit the nail on the head. We can go straight to the point. To add a row don't forget before you need to add a row, before you add a row, rather, you need to understand the vertical division and the horizontal division. The vertical division here, which is this, is your column in Microsoft Excel, while the horizontal division, which is this, is your row. So your vertical division, which is your column, is symbolized with letters, alphabets. All these are vertical divisions. They are your columns. So this is column F, column E, column D, C, A, and B and A, while your horizontal division is symbolized with numbers. So you have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and so on and so forth. So, and the intersection of the column and the row, that is A, which is the column A, and the number, which is your row 1, where two of them intersect, where they cross each other, that is your cell. Now, to add a row, let's assume I need a row before 10 and 35. I need a row somewhere here before this figure. Do I need to now start all over again? No, what you need to do is this. To add a row, click on this particular, click a cell, which is here, right click. Then from the menu that shows forth, from the menu that comes out, locate insert. This is insert. Click on insert. So immediately you click on insert, a dialog box will come out. Now the dialog box is titled insert. Then you have the shift cell right, shift cells down, entire row, entire column. But what we have business with is the entire row. So I will just click this radio button and I will click OK. Then automatically a row will be added above this one. So automatically the number 1, which happens to be the 10, 95, 20, 30, 40. Don't forget this happens to be under number 1 row. It has been shifted down to number 2, while number 2 row has been shifted down to number 3. So I have a row inserted above. Now, if it is a column, if I need to add a column here, that is a column, that means automatically this A, where you have 10 and 35, will be shifted to column B, and column B content will be shifted to column C, and column C content will be shifted to D, and so on and so forth like that. So what I need to do here is this. Still the same cell. Right click on it. Then I will look for insert, that same insert. I will click on insert. Then I will, from this dialog box, I have entire row, that is shift cell right, shift cells down, entire row, entire column, which is the last option there. So I will check the radio button, which is the box here. I will check this, I will click on this, and I will click OK. Then automatically a column has been added. So that is how you can add a row, and that's how you can add a column. Now, let's add this again as a bonus. Let's assume I want a row in between this 10 and 35. I want a row to be added in between 10 and 35. What do I need to do? I can click here, it doesn't mean just click a cell. Now, after a cell has been clicked, now don't forget I want a row in between this 10, 35, 95 and 50, 20 and 40. So I want a row. So that means automatically what I need to do is this. I will click here, then right click, then from the menu that shows forth, I will locate insert. This is my insert. Then I will click on entire row. and automatically a row will be inserted in between. The same thing applies to column, but let's do that. Now, if it is a column that I need to add, let's assume I need a column in between 95, 50, 20, and 48. I need a column here. What I need to do is this. I can still remain here, click on this, then locate my insert from the menu, click on insert, then I will select entire column, and I will click OK. Then automatically 20 and 48 returns to be, it will now be shifted to column E, and let's see. Fine. So this is the column and this is the row. This is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I will appreciate, please subscribe, and likewise click on the notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I drop content like this. Thanks for watching.